correspondents Jason Jones and Samantha B are married. Jones and B were married before either of them were on The Daily Show. After B became a correspondent, she secured a spot for her hubby. Jon Stewart used to be roommates with Anthony Weiner's girlfriend. In his younger, poor days, Stewart roomed with a girl who was dating future scandalous politician Anthony Weiner. Weiner was at the apartment all the time, so they basically lived together. Stewart was offered the show at the very beginning but turned it down. Stewart was working as a stand-up comedian and television personality when the show was first getting off the ground. He turned down the show initially but accepted when he was offered the job again after Kilborn. Jon Stewart took time off in 2013 to direct Rosewater. Rosewater is the story of an Iranian journalist held captive by his government because of work he did with The Daily Show. Ed Helms was a correspondent. After a successful Daily Show run, Helms was offered a spot on The Office, which led to his role in the smash hit Hangover film series. Jon Stewart has some kind of issue with Arby's. Stewart has made jabs at Arby's restaurants a recurring theme on the show. He called Sean Hannity Arby's of news. Source: Ite. Steve Carell started as a correspondent. Steve Carell started as a correspondent. Jon Stewart is the highest paid host on television. Jon Stewart is the highest paid host on television. Barack Obama has been a guest 6 times. Barack Obama has been a guest 6 times. Jon Stewart got all in Jim Cramer's face. The show has helped pass actual legislation.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.